case some of you are wondering what kind of invasion Illinois is having, these are cicadas. So evidently they come out every 13 years out of the ground, and they shed their skins. They come out to mate, I don't know, I think maybe a month. Then they go back in the ground. So if you're ever wondering what the apocalypse is going to look like when all those locusts come and eat all the food, it's going to look like these little demons. They look like demons, don't they? Yeah. And they're going to suck the sap out of this tree for food and nutrition. And then they sing very loudly. I don't know if you can hear them in the background. They sing very loudly to attract a mate. Yeah, I hope you don't have nightmares after watching this video. Isn't the Lord Jesus Christ amazing, creating all these insects? I expect that a lot of demons look like this, you guys. And you could have hundreds and thousands of them inside of you. That's why it's very important to get deliverance every day. Keep them out. Hello, little cicada. Hello, little cicada. I don't even really want to touch them, but that's how big they are. My finger's right there. Yeah, so when you're into the occult and stuff like that, imagine millions and millions of these inside of you. Or if you're into witchcraft and you come to Christ, millions of these are inside of you, guys. Not these, what I'm saying is demons, not these actually. But millions of demons are inside of you. You gotta keep getting them out. Don't get frustrated when deliverance takes a long time. Yeah. Alright, guys. Yeah, I'm allergic to cicadas. I got one on me.